We know right now that Manchester United has been heavily linked with transfers, and the current coach, Mr. Ralph Ranić, has said that he has an eye for all the new and recent transfers right now across the board of Manchester United. And owing to this, what we are able to being able to see is that Manchester United will be actually eyeing to target to spend almost 120 million pounds during the summer transfer window. United are planning to hammer a solid young, enthusiastic, youthful transfer. A bit to turn themselves back into the genuine Premier League title contenders, United have heavily invested in the squad during the summer, completing big money deals like Rafael Varane, Sancho, and Cristiano Ronaldo. Unfortunately, their season, certainly so far, has not gone the way they have wanted or hoped for, meaning the questions are beginning to be asked about whether or not they will look to dive back into the market next month for fresh faces. Well, nothing can be ruled out. The new additions should not be off limits. United are not likely to spend lavish amounts of money mid-season, especially when it seems that they don't even have a permanent manager right now. So nevertheless, the book, people around all the news, views, and all the gossipers, they're talking about a host of players who could join Old Trafford and change and give some youthful energy into the United Field squad. With that in mind, we have taken a look at the 4 players who are now currently being linked with Old Trafford. Frank Kessie. United are in need of adding a new midfielder to their ranks, and they could find themselves saving a small fortune if they turn to the AC Milan star Frank Kessie. That is because they could sign him on a free transfer to solve their midfield issues, and we know that Manchester United has been suffering from a midfield crisis for a very long time. They have been suffering from a midfield issue. They've had a game where they were not being able to perform well. They were not being able to perform properly in the midfield, and they always end up having a midfield issue. The all-round tough tackling midfielder could solve the problem of Manchester United, their defensive issues, their midfield issues, the issue of a CDM. He would be free to discuss a move to Old Trafford as soon as next month, and should definitely be a target they should set, because it could save them a fortune. Also, United could swoop him in for January and sign him there and then for a cut price fee, which would no doubt suit Milan better than losing him for nothing a few months later. Formerly of Atalanta, Kessie joined Milan initially on loan back in 2017, and since that has gone from strength to strength, moving one of the best defensive midfielders in Europe, capable of proving protection to the back four and producing a please on the eye in the pass. Kessie is not afraid to venture forward. So John Kessie is somebody who is not afraid to venture forward. He's somebody who's not afraid to have a look into the future. So in this case, what I would like to add is that Manchester United have a very serious and major midfield issue. They have been having a crisis in the midfield for a long time. They don't have enough midfielders. They don't have enough midfield power. They don't have a CDM, and we have been suffering for the lack of a CDM for a long time. For a long time, we don't have a CDM. We don't have a proper midfielder even. So that is a big issue. That is a big issue that's tormenting us right now, and if we don't solve it, that is something that will torment us in the future again. I can bet on it. That will torment us again and again. So we must resolve it. And another player that we might get right now is Declan Rice. Rice is a concrete target of United, and the club has already discussed the framework of how they could get him on board to play for them, to bring the England international to Old Trafford. Therefore, it's no surprise to see the West Ham United star being linked with a move to the theatre of dreams by everybody. Rice has gone from strength to strength at the London Stadium in the past 2 years or so, and is considered as one of the best midfielders in the Premier League, and particularly as far as his role is concerned. United have identified Rice as a top target, but he is likely to cost a humongous fee, meaning it could be impossible for United to get a deal over the line in January. And basically, Chelsea, the club that Rice started his career at, are also considered as being amongst the candidates for his signature. Because let's face it, Manchester United are currently facing, as we said, a midfield crisis, and they would love to get a new midfielder, at a cut price, or at a low price. A lot of world-class midfielders would cost them a fortune, but if they get somebody like Declan Rice, in that case, the possibility would be really, really less of spending a fortune on a midfielder, and they could get him for a very reasonable cut price, and it will be a win-win for everybody who will be involved in the game. Next comes Adam Traore. Wolverhampton Wanderers winger Adam Traore has been linked with the move away from, Molineux in recent years, with no shortage of clubs having been desperate to sample the speed that he's capable of opposed to coming up against it. Signed for Middlesbrough in 2018, the Spaniard has gone from strength to strength in several areas of his game, including his attacking output in the final third. However, the winger this season has not scored a single goal or claimed an assist, meaning clubs may not be tracking him with such fondness as they have been in recent years. Nevertheless, he has crept onto the betting charts, He has kept onto the charts of assumptions, and the different players are linking him, from moving to United. So this is something we are seeing right now, okay? And another player is, Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Although Cristiano Ronaldo is continuing to score the goals at the top end of the pitch, United do continue to be linked with moves for several strikers, including Calvert-Lewin. Fresh from scoring 21 goals in 39 appearances last season, the England international started his season in red-hot form, scoring 3 goals in Everton's opening 3 Premier League matches. However, a fractured toe has since sidelined him and robbed Everton of his biggest goal threat. Nevertheless, at the age of 24, Calvert-Lewin has got plenty of time to make up for the time he has lost, and he has a lot of speed left in him. So which will definitely be basically a very good addition to the United side, who are looking for high pressing attacking players. United have already earmarked Borussia Dortmund sensation Erling Haaland as their number one priority target right now. But Calvert-Lewin could be, a move which is heavily linked with Old Trafford. And let's admit it, you will have Manchester City, Real Madrid, PSG, and Bayern Munich competing for Erling Haaland, and Erling Haaland, he will most probably would like to go to clubs, and even Real Madrid. Everybody wants Haaland. So in such a scenario, I think it would be the best course of action would be to go for players, who are good, who have a lot of potential, but they're unexplored, or they aren't that much exposed yet. So I think all these 4 transfer targets would be a great, problem solver for Manchester United, who seem to have a lacking midfield. What do you think? Do you think these players will solve the midfield crisis at Manchester United? Let me know in the comments. Until further notice, take care.